Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to change Paytm password. Friends, it's always better to change your Paytm password to secure your Paytm account. So to change password, we need to open our Paytm app. In Paytm app, press on top left side corner of the screen. Here scroll it little down. Press on settings. Press on security settings. In security settings, you will find option of change password. Here you need to enter your current password. Now after entering your current password, enter your new password. By pressing on this eye, you can see your new password. Now after entering your new password, you need to re-enter your new password. Now after re-entering your new password, press on save. So friends, like this you can very easily change your Paytm password. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.